Sixth problem, can you think of other ways to find a rational number between any two rational numbers? So there are ways to find out the rational number between the given two rational numbers. So first method, we already know that, like suppose if I am having 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. To find a rational number between these, we will find out the average of these two. So this will be A and this will be B. So that will become A plus B by 2. So by using this formula, we can find out the rational number. And the other way is by making the denominator same. Suppose if I am having 1 by 2 and 5 by 4. So what we need to do, we need to make the denominator same. So for the first number we can multiply with 2 and 2. Second number as it is, so it will become 2 by 2 2s are 4 and 5 by 4. So between this we can get 3 by 4, 4 by 4. Like this we can find out. This is the second way. And otherwise we can do the decimal form. Like let us take the first example again. 1 by 2 means 0.5 and 1 by 3 means it will be, if we divide this, 3 3s are 9, 1 0, 3 3s are 9. So like this, 0.33. So we can find out the numbers like this. Between these two, 0.3 and 0.5, what is the number? 0.4. Like this we can find out. So these are the three ways.